Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to show you the video of the Tpms and the air pressure compressor. Hey, that's the Tpms that I have on my car. So I'll just show you when you just touch on. So as of now it shows 00 on the left and the front left and the back right, because the batteries have gone down. So I need to change the battery. So you can see this side tire is 30, that side tire is 31. So it's connected through Bluetooth, so it shows here, it has a display. So we'll go with this now. We'll see how this works. Here she is. Well, a long time. So let me first install the Tpms. So guys, you know this tire is the 180/55 ZR17, the Michelin one. No problem. Many people did ask me in my review video which I posted. I mean, if you guys have not seen that, you can go ahead and find that in my videos. Let's install the battery. This is where you install the battery, and it shows minus. So the minus is the bottom one. You just go ahead and put this like that. Okay. Is there anything like front and back for this? Does not show front or back, so it's either way, it's fine. So we just go ahead and wait. Before we do that, we need to put this. So this is actually the purpose to lock the Tpms, so no one can go ahead and steal it. So then you go ahead and connect this, and we go to the front tire. Where are you? This here. Damn son. Yep. Remove this. Go ahead. We'll tighten that up later. For now we need to see if this works or not. Right. This is the app. It is available in the Google Play Store. So next. Okay, we'll skip it. Okay, now I've signed in. Now, so it is asking for that paper to scan. I don't have that, so we'll go ahead. It's okay, we'll try the manual one. Dominar 100. Next, tap to edit the tire. Okay, ID. Okay, sensor ID, second gen sensor, I think. ID. Yep, got it. Sensor ID. I'll just type it, and then we'll come back to the video. Okay, so I added the sensor ID. Okay, confirm. Oh, it's bad. That's it. Wow. Okay, so that is done. Oh, so that is how it identifies the front and back. Wow. Okay, so ID number for this. Okay, so that is done. So both have been paired. Congratulations, your vehicle is set up. It's monitoring all tires. Okay, and then safe pressure data. Okay. Give that. Come back. Sorry. Recommended. We'll go with recommended. Okay. Tire pressure alert. Front tire has low pressure. Okay. Yo, only 18. Oh, that's strange. and back tire is 38. These vehicles are not running, so that is why. Okay, cool. So guys, this is how the temperature, the pressure and the temperature shows. So that's a good thing, and gives an alarm when it is down. That's a good thing. So yeah, so now let's try filling the air. Now let's see how good is this gonna be, right? Is it worth the money or not? And then remove this, connect it here. So if you guys have not seen the unboxing video and the detailed video of this, you can go back to my previous video, or the link will be in the description. You can go ahead and have a check. Okay, so this is what it is. So what is this? No, that's the light. Okay, so now let's see how long does it take for the air to fill. So you guys know it was 19, right? So when we put it back, it should be more. Okay, let's see how much has gone in. So 19 it was, so probably it should be now 21. Let's see. So it is 28 now. So from 19 to 28, not bad guys. It is fast. It is filling fast. Actually a very good product. If this can be actually used when you are in a long ride and when there is no air or tire pressure available, you can go ahead and use this. This is very handy. I filled the tire, it did not heat up, no heating. Quite a compact product. You can carry this around, right? So it's a good product guys. You can go for it. As I said, rate and all the details, you can contact them directly. They'll help you out, right? And as I always say, ride safe, take care, and God bless you. Bye bye.